Welcome to your mindful activity. As you engage in your chosen activity, start to connect with your breath. Focus on the feelings that you experience, the sensations that you experience as your breath moves in and out of your body. And now, while remaining mindful of your breath and your body, bring your attention to your chosen activity. If you find it helpful, you can narrate your actions in your mind. So, for example, as I breathe, I fold the shirt. As I breathe, I wash the dish. As I breathe, I make the bed. See how fully you can observe your experience of your chosen activity. Notice the movements of your body as you engage in this activity. Notice the actions of your hands. Notice what textures or sensations you feel. Notice the position or positions of your body and any sensations that are present within your body. As you continue to engage in your activity mindfully, if you notice that your mind wanders away from your activity, starts to go into the future or into the past, you can just gently guide yourself back to your breath and your experience of your activity in this present moment. The guided portion of this practice is now ending, but please feel free to continue practicing mindfulness and engaging in your activity mindfully. Just use your experience of your breath and your chosen activity to stay fully engaged in the present moment.